everybody. Just woken up in Bonnie, Scotland, on the outskirts of Perth. Bit of a last minute decision to do a road trip. So I drove most of the night, arrived here late on, just got some tea, got my head down, and now going to head for the Highlands and just make it up as I go along each day. Hopefully see some nice scenery and a bit of a van adventure. Oh, I'm toasty now. I've got that diesel heater on. Got a bit cold during the night, but I'm testing out my new half insulated van. But yeah, nice and cosy in here. Even though I was really close to the A9, busy A9, I had a good sleep last night. I tucked myself away in the corner of this park and ride car park on the edge of Perth. And it's free up to 72 hours, so you can't beat that. It's just handy when you're tired and it's like dark and it's like 8:30 at night. You just want someone to pull over where you can see street lights, somewhere looks safe, and this ticks all the boxes, so I recommend it. I'll put the description in the link. Let's go and try and empty the toilet and get some breakfast. There's a Mackey's next door. Excited today, going to take the A93 from Perth to Blairgowrie, over Glenshee Ski Mountain Pass, the old military road, ending up at Cockbridge. Hi folks, we're going up to Cairngorms. Yes, get in there. Spittal of Glenshee Ski Resort. Going to do hopefully 3 of the easiest Munros. Never done a Munro before, so but you're already starting quite high up, so I'm really looking forward to it. I don't know what the conditions are. I might have a bit of snow on the tops, but we'll see. But it's going to be a proper winter walk. Welcome to Aberdeenshire. So Glenshee Ski Resort. There's been no snow, but it's very windy. I don't think I'm going to hang around here long. I was going to go for a hike up back 3 Munros, but not in conditions like this. It's pretty suicidal. Gee. I am so glad to get back inside. God. They weren't joking when they're saying 40-50 mile an hour winds today. I came up the east coast to Cairngorm National Park because the forecast looked a bit drier. The west coast, Ben Nevis and up round there was rain and snow. But you know what? It was sunshine in Perth this morning. Gorgeous, no wind, beautiful morning, but it just goes to show you get up into the mountains and the weather can change at the drop of a hat, and it's just totally different. There's no way I'm going up, even though the 3 easy Munros. I'm just gonna have to wait till another time, because with that visibility and that biting cold wind, it's not going to be fun. Not going to see anything, and it's, you know, I'd be going up on my own. I'm just thinking, no, too risky. Gonna have to look for some kind of activity that's lower down. Let's So we'll see. Let's just crack on along the snow road towards Braemar and the Lect, but I imagine the Lect ski resort's going to be much the same. Tomintoul, just keep going. There's no plan, just a general direction. Let's face it, it's a holiday. Saying that, I'd rather be on a beach. I passed through a desolate, wet and windy Glenshee ski resort centre, and another 10 minutes down a beautiful scenic road got to the village of Braemar. Yeah, well, let's go and check out Braemar Castle. Let's go and check it out. Welcome to Braemar Castle. Take a journey into living history, the home of hunting and building, rising and burnings. Learn how the castle transformed from the hunting lodge of the 2nd Earl of Mar to a redcoat garrison, and then to a high society retreat with royal connections and a host of colourful characters. Not expecting it to be open today. What are we on? Tuesday, Wednesday even, in winter. Don't think it'll be very popular down this neck of the woods. Under Deeside military occupation around 1760, Braemar Castle is strategically located at the intersection of ancient mountains, drove roads and river crossings, much used by both clansmen and castle raiders. Strategic point, like most castles. Look at this. The Fog House, erected most likely in the late 19th century, our Fog House is a romantic garden folly built to give shelter and draw views towards the Dee and Invercord House. It's a rare remaining example. Wow. The Fog House. Nice and dry. Oh, yeah. Even though it was closed today, it was definitely worth a walk round, 10-15 minutes. Even if it breaks up your journey. Beautiful area, bit of history, fresh air. Scotland. Right. There we go. The B976 to Tomintoul. So I'm on the old military road that's heading towards Cockbridge, heading north from Glenshee and Braemar, but you've got it's a single track road, no large vehicles. You see the snow poles at the side of the road, and it's a single track road with passing places, but you know what, look at it, there's plenty of passing places. Just wouldn't have anything too big. See the snow on the hills. Snow route, scenic route. Turn left to Tomintoul, 18 miles. I don't know about you, but so far I've just been loving this. All right, I've not done much walking or got out and about, but the weather was a bit bad up on the tops. But it's been good enough to drive. It's been really lovely and scenic, and just relaxing. I love it up here, up in Scotland, the Highlands. I continued to head north along the snow road, and it soon lived up to its name. We're heading to Cockbridge and Corgarff Viewpoint, where there's a couple of statues. The first is a stone with an inscription on by Louise Gardiner called A Moment in Time, and the second are 4 metal sculptures called The Watchers by John Kennedy of Land Lab. Take a moment to behold as still skies or storms unfold. Warm your soul before you go in sun, rain, sleet or snow. The idea is you sit in these, you can watch the beautiful view and remain sheltered from the elements. Gotta give this a try. Yeah, that's better. Oh yes, yeah, this is the one. This is the sheltered. I've got a room with a view. Oh, feeling sheltered and warm. Well, I wouldn't quite say warm. So if you're driving past this road,